Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen.
In today's video, we are making DIY cake box, which is a 12 cupcake slot box from cardboard, cupcake slot piece, and then an acetate. We also use some pencil and then our glue gun. Our cupcakes here. This is my chocolate chip cupcakes, ranging from coffee chocolate chips, we have red velvet chocolate chips, and plain chocolate chip cake, which is a vanilla chocolate chip cake, cardboard, cupcake slot piece, and then an acetate. We also use some pencil, and then so let's get started. Begin by working on our cupcake box itself. So we'll use our cardboard here, we'll open it, and then we'll fold according to the line in the middle. Since we are making it for 12 slots cupcake, we need a larger box. If it was for a 6-inch, we would have cut it into 2. So we'll fold it onto itself to kind of give a box look. So I'll do this, and then we'll do same on the opposite side. We'll smoothen out the crease, and then this is how it looks on the inside. So this is going to help our box stand. We'll fold on the opposite side as well. I'm doing this cupcake box because I had to deliver on a gift, and then I'm not having cupcake boxes on hand. So as usual, as the queen of arts and crafts, I'm trying to do something that is going to work out beautifully in the end. So stay tuned for that. I'll repeat this step on the opposite side as well. Now we'll fold the ends. We'll do this too on the opposite side, and then we start cutting with our scissors. I'm cutting inwardly so that we can fold it in like so, and then we'll attach with the glue gun. I'll do same on the opposite side. Now we cut these sides as well. We'll cut here too, and here as well. Now pick a piece of the acetate and then use it as a marking to choose which part exactly we want to fix it. You can use a ruler for this. I'm just making rough markings, which I'll cut and then place the acetate on before we glue the box together. This is kind of a guide to know where exactly I want to cut through. Feel free to use a ruler. I'm just doing this freehand without measurement. So I'll use the scissors to mark it out, and then I'll start cutting it. Now cut till we obtain the box in the middle. Now we'll clean the pencil marks that eraser. Now we'll place on the acetate and it fits perfectly. So what we are going to do is that we'll start gluing with our glue gun. We'll do it on the edge, and we'll do this till we glue every part. Just like that, we fix the acetate in the middle. Now we'll work on the slots, and then we'll fold the ends with this line, and it will be like this in the cupcake box. Now we'll start gluing the ends of the box inwardly, like so. And as this is done, you have to push it so that you get an end like this with a line, and this will help you cover the box completely after everything is done without problems. Repeat this step till we do it for every side. And this is basically our cupcake box, so I'm going to close it just for you to see that it's just a replica of the ones that we buy in our shops, and this we made without measurements. Now we'll trim off the excesses on the edges, and then we'll fix into the middle our cupcake slots. I will fix in our cupcakes, starting with the vanilla, then we'll use the red velvet next, and then our chocolate coffee cake. And this is how they look like. Just look at that. Now we'll cover the box, and this is how it looks like. So you see how beautiful the box looks, just a replica of the ones that we have at the grocery shops and our cake supply stores, all made without measurements. What do you think, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So since it's a gift, I'm going to place it into a bag which we'll use to deliver our gifts, and then we'll push it in, and it's ready for delivery.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.